You've been working on this branch for hours, and the time has come to check all your changes into version control. Except you can't remember what you had for lunch, and you certainly can't remember all your changes. We could go through every single file and look at every single change to remind ourselves of the big picture. True, but it doesn't really help us to craft a good commit message that summarizes everything. Let's see how JetBrains AI Assistant can help us here. Click the purple AI Assistant icon, and here we go. We have a commit message. Cool, but it's kinda long and a bit wordy. Well, you can tailor the prompt to create a more succinct commit message. For example, a couple of sentences, and the first one no more than 50 characters long. When we press the AI Assistant icon again, we get a much shorter commit message this time. What about the other way around, understanding someone else's commits, or even mine, after a period of time? Yep, we can go the other way as well. Open up your version control tool window with Option 9 or Alt 9, find the commit that makes no sense, right-click and ask JetBrains AI Assistant to explain it. Of course, most of us don't do one monster commit. We do lots of smaller sequential commits. We can select the sequential commits that we're interested in, right-click, and ask JetBrains AI Assistant to explain them. Next time you want some help writing your commit message or some help understanding someone else's commit or commits, look for the JetBrains AI Assistant icon and just ask.